Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to make my favorite pasta with loaded fries on my channel Interesting Pie. So let's get started. To make white sauce pasta, we need flour, noodles masala, chili flakes, black pepper, oregano and salt. First we are going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. There we go. Now we are going to put our flour and mix it. Now we are going to add milk and mix. Let's add more milk and more. We need to have the right thickness of our sauce. Now let's put our salt. Let's put black pepper. Let's put oregano and our noodles masala. We put noodles masala, but you can also put chicken powder. Now our chili flakes. And mix. Now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Mix it. Let's put 2 tablespoons of cream. And mix it. We're going to put now boiled pasta and mix again. We're done with our pasta. Now we're going to put our frozen fries and tender pops into our preheated air fryer. Be careful, it is very hot. Dump it. Insert and cook it for about 25 minutes. It's done. See how crispy and delicious these look. All of our things are ready. Now I'm going to take the bowl of pasta and adding it in my tray. Here we go. Spread it out evenly. Now let's put that aside and bring our tender pop. Now let's add it to our pasta. We're about done here. Let's put a layer of fries. And we're done here. Now let's put another layer of pasta. Now that the pasta is evenly spread, we are going to add our cheese. This is going to be cheesy dish. After we add the cheese, I am going to put it in the microwave to melt the cheese for about 3 minutes. And the dish is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Interesting Pie and Desi Cravings. Bye.